"Yes," said his father. "I see a witch at my window," Terry said. "I hear her pecking at the glass. She goes tap, tap, tap." Terry's father picked him up and looked out the window together. "You were seeing that elm branch," his father said, "and you were hearing it brush against your window when the wind blew. Tomorrow we will go out and trim that elm branch." Trim that elm witch. "You're funny, Daddy," Terry said. "Good night, son," his father whispered. "And don't you worry about that old elm witch." Terry tried and tried to go to sleep, but he just couldn't. The refrigerator was humming in the kitchen, and Terry's tummy felt empty. Terry got up and went to his parents' bedroom. "Daddy," he whispered, "there's a hungry demon in the kitchen. I hear his tummy rumbling." Terry's father sat up and listened. Then he smiled. "I think you're right," he said. "Maybe we should go see about that hungry demon." "We sure took care of that hungry demon," Terry said with his mouth full of cinnamon toast. "We sure did," his father agreed. Terry's father carried him back to bed and tucked him in. This time Terry didn't have to try. He was fast asleep even before his father turned out the light, and he was snoring. Said Terry's father to himself. "Now there's a snoring monster in my son's bed."